bonds are on the left, okay? In our cash account, I'll concentrate probably first on bonds, but truthfully, I don't really have to do anything on either of the trades. As long as they function normally, there's not a super crazy, ultra volatile, insane move. You know what I mean? We expect the normal, but you're always on guard for the abnormal. And then there is a possible change in direction trade on gold. You know, if you can absorb the news, which I'm watching off to the side, it's a lot to do. You only want to trade when you know what's going on. Okay, so I wouldn't jump into a reversal continuation unless I have a sense of what's going on. So it means you have to look at the news result. You have to absorb everything. Now I'm watching behavior, right, of the markets. I would cancel the NQ. I would cancel this trade, folks. This is not safe. Not safe. I'm canceling. That's just not normal behavior, and it's so risky. I don't care if it works. I'm just doing what I think is safe. I think it worked. I think the trade worked fine, but that's such an outsized move and such a possibility of things being haywire. Now, the CPI is higher than expected. Probably not good news. 3.8, 3.5, 0.1 higher on each important element, 0.1 higher on each element. In other words, 3.5 instead of 3.4. The index is higher. Everything is higher. I don't think anybody is totally surprised. Now, look, I could have left those trades on. I'll bet anybody who traded that. I'm guessing, but I'm not positive because I couldn't tell without looking at the video. I think that those were safe moves. So did anybody leave their trades on live? Not sim, live. Now gold, everything's pushing down very heavily on this news. Everything heavily pushing down. I'm probably not going to do anything here except watch the markets. That was such a big move before the news. Thinking about it in retrospect, I probably should have left the prop on because I think it would have, what's the big deal? You pay a monthly fee if it explodes, if you lose your prop account. I'm more inclined to protect my cash account, but I do think, I think ZN, I think everything would have been fine. I mean, that's the irony of ironies, but we have rules, and we have rules that are designed for safety. Okay. I mean, that's why we have the rules. When there's a move that large right before the news, it's like I said, I don't like to cancel trades, but that was a very large pre-news move. And as much as I'd rather not have canceled, I think it was the right thing to do. Yes, it looks like it would have been a winner. So, maybe it'll be the trade I should have taken this week in our videos, but you want to do the right thing. We have rules for a reason to keep us safe. We'll watch the video. Let's watch the video. I'm just watching gold. You know, maybe there was an opportunity to take a continuation in gold, but that was very not easy to figure out where you should get in. But clearly, there's so much downward pressure because of the news. That looks like, you know, there were many opportunities missed on this event for the average trader. But look, some people traded and made money, and that's great. So that's perfectly fine. Is our stream working okay, Chantal? Something happened to my stream. It doesn't seem to be working properly. Let me see if I can get it back. So I'm not sure. Something happened to my stream. So I want to thank everybody who watched us on YouTube. We'll be streaming again next week for our free stream of the week. So check out our schedule. And thanks for being here on YouTube. We're going to close our stream. And then for our viewers that are here, we're going to look at our video. You know,